Hello everyone, my name is Megan Ballingy and I'm one of the librarians at Heartland Community College Library, and this video is Academic Search Complete, the basics. So if you need to find some articles really quick, that's what I'm going to show you today. So to start, go to the library homepage, click Research, and then in the center, Article Databases. And the first database is Academic Search Complete. This database searches a general number of subjects, and it's your best bet if you're just getting started. And my account automatically connected to Heartland Community College. Yours should as well. Depending on if you're at home or if you are on campus, it may prompt you to log in with your email information. All right, so we are in Academic Search Complete, and we are going to focus on these empty search boxes. Basically, we can take our subject of our topic and put in words that represent that topic in combination. So we can put in more than one word in more than one of these boxes. And this will tell Academic Search Complete to find articles based on those keywords. So the topic that I'm going to search is sustainability or green materials used in transportation and airports. I'm going to start by typing in sustainability, and you'll see that there are some examples of words that I can enter. Take a look at these once you start typing in. I could just click on sustainability, but if I click on this one, sustainability or sustainable or eco-friendly, or if I click on this one that also involves green or environmental, that's going to tell the search engine to bring back articles that contain those words. So sometimes an article may refer to sustainability with just the term eco-friendly or green. Basically, we can find more search results if we include more search terms, because these are all sort of mean the same thing. So I'm going to go with that series of words, and let's put in transportation and airport. So what I'm trying to find are some articles that are focusing on, basically, like this one says, green initiatives for sustainable airport services. Various ways to cut down on carbon footprint, recycling, it could be emissions, and we can get into that a little further a little bit later. So we are quickly going to take a look through these search results. Right here we have 372. We're going to do a little bit of refining along the left-hand side, or sometimes we call it filtering, through our search results so we can find really the ones that we are looking for, so we don't have to look through this entire list. I'm going to limit these to full text. I also want scholarly or peer-reviewed. And I also am going to change the date so it's a little more relevant within the last 5 or so years. And I'm also going to do something else because I see an article that's in a different language. Right under the publication date, show more. And I can limit this to different languages. I'm going to choose English and search. Okay, now by filtering through those search results, instead of 372 results, I have 111. That's a lot more manageable. Here is an article, Green Initiatives for Sustainable Airport Services, and you can see my search terms, the keywords are in bold. So we have a bunch of different articles that talk about different sustainability efforts in airports. And you can see climate smart airports, clean energy solutions. So we're dealing with a lot of different types of initiatives at airports. If you wanted to get even more specific, you can add more search boxes here and add other things. For example, if you wanted just to look at recycling at airports, you could add that search term. Now, how do we look at some of these articles? Let's take a look at this first one. I'm going to click on the title. Now we can look at this article a little more in depth. I can look at the author, the source, that is where this was published. So originally published in the Journal of Airport Management. That is a journal that has articles all on this topic. I scroll down a little bit. The abstract is a summary of the article, so you can quickly skim that to see if the article is going to be what you want to use for your research. There's a few really important areas on this page. Namely, on the left-hand side, you will see where you can find this article full text. So this has a PDF. If I click on that, here is the full article. I can download and print that from here. If I go back to the previous page, there's also a few other links that I want to point out. You can email this information to yourself. You can also click the Cite button, and depending on what you are, which citation style you're writing in, you can find the citation. You always want to double check these because they can have some errors in them, and when you copy and paste, it doesn't always save the formatting. So I do have the APA citation. If you're using MLA, you can always scroll to that also. And right under the Cite button is a permalink. This is the permanent link for this article, and if you wanted to come back to it, if you are running short on time and you just want to save this really quick and come back to this research, you can save the permalink. Okay, so that is a very quick overview on how to search for articles in Academic Search Complete.